Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 4th of April 2022 for some of the awesome creations, games and effects created in Unity. Be sure to submit to me if you've got any awesome creations for a chance to be featured in next week's episode. So check out my Patreon to get access to over 135 different scripts asset projects that you cannot find anywhere else. Be sure to check out all the deals that are currently going on the Humble Bundle and the Unity Asset Store for this month, and I will keep you all updated with all the links in the description. And be sure to throw a like on this video and subscribe with notifications to always keep updated to everything that I'm creating for all of you. Is ncbgamesofficial with the sword fighting with full physics in VR. Number 2 is TheInsaneSquirrel with an indie mirror-based puzzler with absolutely unbelievable gameplay effects. Spawnsquare is working on a tabletop RPG for augmented reality. Then we've got CHOPCHOP VR, which is the kitchen experience in beta now. CinnabarTreeGames is wondering if this is how wheels are supposed to work. Steve O'Masson, so why not take a look at the physics-based wrestling game. Atomic Games has got a brand new Kickstarter with a new trailer for their awesome inspired indie game. Jungle Boom has got counters, wall running, and lots of different character effects. YamoStudios have got more work in progress but incredibly polished animations. Gabs 101 yet again has got some pixel art effects to teach you with all these particles. Jordi Arbiter has got all the combos and all the blasts. Jeff Ramos has got the hand cop, which looks cool and creepy. Pataya has got visual effects, explosions and everything in one. wexleysmalls has got a project inspired by Downfall, but in a first person kind of view. Heavy_2021 has got a nice stylized explosion. HyperMegaPixel has got a really beautiful looking Lowpoly environment. YamoStudios has got more stable camera work for the absolutely insane combat that's in their game. Zabel is releasing its first ever game on Steam today. Sniper ED007 has got some URP performance, and look at all these sharks. Jolly Theory has got screen space cavity and curvature effects in Unity, inspired by Blender's viewport cavity effect. So be sure to check out all these amazing creations for the 4th of April 2022. Be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over 135 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Come and join me on Discord if you want to chat. Check out my great assets on the Unity store and on my website to get bonus discounts with discount codes in the description. Thank you so much to all my supporting patrons, and a special thanks to Peter Steiner for supporting the channel. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.